Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today with the latest Alienergy gamepads for Xbox Series X or S or Windows computer with Windows 10 or Windows 11. And talking about Windows, if you still haven't activated your Windows license, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where we will find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can check on the screen, you will get an extra discount. So just in case you want to check that out, I will leave the link down below, just next to the link for the Alienergy gamepads, which have some features that I do believe that are truly capable of improving our gameplay. Now, that being said, let's start by doing a small comparison of the things that I do believe that are obvious in terms of differences between the original gamepads and the Alienergy gamepads. First of all, we will see that the original comes with removable batteries, while the Alienergy gamepad comes with a built-in lithium battery, which will last us for 8 hours, and we can charge it via USB Type-C. So this will be something in terms of personal choice, which one is the advantage, the built-in or the removable batteries. It's on your side. Now, the second difference is something static, which I do believe that it's a nice touch. On the Alienergy gamepads, we will be able, at the moment of the recording, to choose between black, white or red cover. So we can purchase on the side the cover so that we can replace and have a different set, which is awesome if you want to have a different gamepad. So only aesthetics, but a different touch. Something that it's not only aesthetic, and in my opinion probably the biggest difference right over here, is this button which says program, and it's meant to program the extra 4 buttons that are on the back. When I say program, is to map those buttons, and we can simply map one single button. Like if I want the B button to be here at the back, I can map that button and I can have the B function right over here. Or more important in my opinion is that we can map a macro or a key combination. So if you have a game that you want to use some weird trick, you will have to press this one and this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. You can record that into one single button, and when time comes that you need to press those combinations, then you can just press the button and bam, you will have that combination. And in my opinion, this is probably the strongest point on this gamepad, especially for those of you that play a lot and you have a lot of key combinations. Then this might be great. You will have 4 options right over here with 4 combinations for each game. Price is also different. We will find that at the moment of the recording, at least, the Alienergy is cheaper than the original gamepad. Now, in terms of feeling, I would say that it's not that different from the original gamepad. The size is more or less the same. The weight probably a little bit lighter because it doesn't have those batteries which are heavy. In terms of the feeling itself, I would say that they are on par. In terms of build quality, great on both of them, the original and this one right over here. The original one has a grip that it's a bit more rugged, not by that much, and I would say that probably because we have removable covers right over here, but that's the exception. Everything else feels the same, and I'm only able to tell this because I'm holding both, because if I hadn't this one to compare, I would say that this is a premium gamepad that I've got right over here with a great experience. Now, talking about experience, really easy to use it on the Xbox. What I did was just to turn on the gamepad, press the button on the Xbox, and after that just pair it automatically. It will connect without doing whatsoever, ready to start playing. Now, in terms of the experience itself, was great gameplay, and another difference that we will not notice with our eyes, but yes, while playing, is that the vibration motors are more noticeable right over here on the Alienergy. We will find 4 motors on the original one, a little bit softer, and right over here they are more sensitive, and you will feel it faster and quicker, and also those motors will give us a stronger sensation while playing the game. If this is something that you are looking for, then it is a big difference between one and the other one. Not that the original is bad, it's not by any means, but this one right over here is more reactive. Now we can also use it on a computer with Windows, as I said on the beginning. There are two ways of connecting it. First of all is with a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-C or to USB Type-A, depending on your computer, which was the way that I did connect mine. Really soon there will be a dongle available so that you can purchase it separately, that we can connect to our computer via USB, and we will be able to connect via wireless. So I will leave the link down below for the Gamepad, and soon enough you will have also the option to get that dongle that will be able to connect via wireless to our computer. Now, in terms of the experience, in terms of the gameplay, was exactly the same as the Xbox. The experience was just awesome. The vibrations, everything works great, and the sensation was really nice. So I've got here on my hands a premium gamepad that is cheaper than the premium gamepad or the original gamepad. One thing that it's not different, but I do believe that it's really useful and I do enjoy on any gamepad that has this available, is the 3.5mm jack audio output, which we can connect our headphones in case they are not wireless already. I can just connect the 3.5mm jack right over here, and I can play in my living room, I can play near others without having any noise and without having a huge wire through the living room. Now, that being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, today with the Alienergy gamepads for Xbox X and Xbox S, and also for computers with Windows. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.